Max Home, making homes happier.
We initially already had the idea of doing some upgrades to the house. And when we were at the Home and Garden Show, we saw that new bath advertised. And we had saw it one time on TV advertised also. And then we went to talking about it and then exploring the options and seeing what we needed to do and made a phone call. I'm a commercial fisherman and I take a lot of showers. And at the end of a work week, you're pretty much, you're tired mentally, physically. So you want to go somewhere where you can kind of relax and hang out and just blow off a little bit of steam. And New Bath provided me to have that place that I can go to when I get home, to be able to unwind, relax in the whirlpool, you know, with the jets doing its thing and be in a totally different environment with all the new walling that they put in and the tub, and take me to, I mean, just unwind, a good place to go at the end of the week and relax. I'm gone all during the week, and my wife is there pretty much all week, and you don't want to get a product that's going to require a lot more time or a lot more stressful cleaning and taking this piece off and doing this and doing that. It was just pretty much a wipe down situation. I was impressed. I was blown away. I had no idea that it would look that good. It took our bathroom from what we had before. It just jumped it up another 10 notches. I mean, the bathroom actually looked bigger with the walling, the paneling, everything was put together just so fine. It was awesome. It just blew me away when I first saw it when I came home.